Damn, you fine.
What?
What?
Yo, why the fuck you change your voice like that, my nigga? I'll smack the fire out of you, my nigga.
What are you doing?
Why you got a man's voice?
I'm a man.
What the fuck?
What? Damn, you fine.
Huh?
What you doing?
What? Oh,
What you doing?
You know, this is really strange. Because it's not like I don't like trans people. It's just you look, man. You just gotta throw away the whole guy voice. You just gotta throw it away and leave it alone. Always talk like a female. Then you would truly become a girl. Then you can start pulling straight guys.
Let's go. What you know about me? What you know about me?
What it is, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Baby K, and I'm back again with another video with a special guest here. Y'all don't know him.
My name is Gio, and I'm Gio from Orlando.
That's on period. Gio from Orlando.
Nah, I don't like that one. I'm Gio from Haiti.
Nah, that don't sound good. Gio from Orlando. I like that.
Yo.
From Orlando.
Yeah.
It rhymes.
Oh, okay.
So Gio from Orlando. Okay.
Yo, I'm out here kicking it with Q.
Okay, that's my nigga, y'all. Like, we've been friends since forever.
Fine.
And basically today, as y'all can see by the title, we're going to be pranking, basically scaring the niggas and the people on Monkey. I'm going to be mouthing everything he says. So when they talk to me, they're going to think that like I'm a transgender woman, you know, I'm a man that turned into a woman.
That's
but
right.
you know, that's not the case. Are you ready, Jovan?
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright. Y'all ready?
Are y'all ready? If y'all ready, okay, like this video right now. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment if you enjoyed at the end. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. Add time.
Add time.
Damn, you fine.
What'd you say?
Damn, you fine.
What?
What?
Add time.
Damn, you fine.
Huh?
Damn, you fine.
Huh?
What you doing?
What? Oh, stop playing.
What?
Ah, what the hell? You capping. You
Where you from?
Add time.
You cute. What? I'm a man. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Kia, wow.
Add time.
Hi. You are gorgeous.
Damn, you fine.
Wow. Pronounce your name, Kiera?
What?
What the fuck?
What's wrong?
Hey,
Yeah.
give me your fucking heart right now. Give me your heart. We work so hard.
Yo.
Give me your love. I want
Add time.
How you doing?
Damn, you fine.
Huh?
Damn, you fine.
You said what?
Damn, you fine.
Oh, what the fuck?
What? Got his ass.
Hello. Add time.
Why you so cute?
What?
Why you so cute?
Damn, you fine.
He loves. Add
I have a
time.
question.
Add time.
Damn,
I have a
you
question.
fine.
Do you use protection?
What?
Do you use protection?
What?
You do.
I'm a man. What's wrong?
Add time.
RIP to the wool pop.
Damn, you fine.
You said what?
Damn, you fine.
Don't try to play me because you got a nigga talking in the background. Like,
What?
you a nigga?
I'm a man.
That's cool.
Yo, he said that's cool.
Add time.
Damn, you fine. Damn, you fine.
You from where?
Orlando.
Florida?
Yeah.
I'll be out there. You been to LA?
I'm a trans. Yeah, he wasn't with it.
Hello. Add time.
What's good?
Add time.
Where you
Damn,
from?
you fine.
Bali.
Damn, you fine.
What?
Damn, you fine.
What? Excuse me.
Add time.
Don't you open up that window. Oh my god. What is up, that idiot?
Damn, you fine. Damn, you fine. Where are you from?
What is I?
Where are you from?
I did not hear you. What was your last song in the background?
Where are you from?
Anyway, bye, babe. I love you. Oh my
Bye. Add time.
Ashley time. Ashley time.
Damn, you fine.
What? Look at my boy right here. Yeah,
Damn, you
Ashley
fine.
time. Here, look, my boy right here is Asian. My boy right here.
Damn, you fine.
Oh, she's black. She's black, bro. I'm out of here.
Jama was about to go ham.
Nah.
Oh, I'm not even her. You see this black, fine Haitian beauty? What you mean? What you mean she black? Add time.
Damn, you fine.
Oh, she gorgeous.
What are you doing?
What's up? Huh?
What are you doing?
Why you got a man's voice?
I'm a man.
What the fuck?
What?
Why is your voice so deep?
I'm a trans.
No, you're not. Let me see something then.
Add time.
Damn, you fine.
You know what?
Damn, you fine. What?
Nigga voice is mad deep.
What?
Your voice is mad deep.
Where you from?
I'm from New York. Sophie, what's up?
You cute?
You said what?
You cute?
If your voice wasn't so deep,
Add time.
Yo. Okay.
Damn, you fine.
What?
Damn, you fine.
Damn, I'm fine, thanks.
What you doing?
You know, this is really strange. Because it's not like I don't like trans people. It's just you look, man. You just gotta throw away the whole guy voice. You just gotta throw it away and leave it alone. Always talk like a female. Then you would truly become a girl. Then you can start pulling straight guys.
I feel you. Does that sound
You just gotta
better?
you just gotta forget about the whole guy voice. Even if you get angry, you want to use it. You want to use your real voice. Don't do it.
Where you
Don't
from?
do it. What?
Where you from?
I'm from Texas. Where you from?
Orlando.
Orlando. Word. I have a question though. So when you go through the whole body transformation thing, did you actually remove your dick or did you actually keep it? Is the question.
I still have it.
Word, but you got real tits though.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, real tits are fake tits because anybody can get fake tits. So you consider yourself a girl, but you kept your dick, but you got boobs, and you're taking
Yes.
not testosterone, but the other female hormone, right? I
Yes.
forget what it's called.
Yes.
That's strange.
Add time.
Damn, you fine. Damn, you fine.
I can't even hear you no more. What happened?
Damn, you fine.
What?
What?
Yo, why the fuck you change your voice like that, my nigga? I'll smack the fire out you, my nigga. Dead dinosaurs, nigga. You ever seen a dead dinosaur?
I'm a man.
What the fuck happened to your voice, yo?
I'm a man.
Hello?
Yo,
Add time.
what's up? Where you from?
What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
I shouldn't hear what you did.
What? What you doing?
What? I know you bullshit. Oh, girl, but what the fuck?
What's wrong?
Why the hell I had time?
Add time.
No ugly ass girl.
What you say?
So ugly ass.
You trying me?
What?
Hey, you sound like a dude.
I'm a man.
Transgender?
Yes. Can you tell?
Yeah.
You still cute. I don't think transgender. But you still cute. Yeah.
Where you from?
Huh?
I can't do it.
Where you from?
Bro, what's that? No,
Where you from?
Listen to this key.
You cute.
Where you from?
You really trying to talk to me? The fuck? Add time.
How you doing? Okay.
Damn, you fine.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Jovan, you got something to say?
Follow me on IG, you know.
Period. Yes! Get it out! Get out!
I'm dead.